Rolling camera.
Welcome to Fiji.
Bula!
Bula binaka. Bula!
Bula binaka.
Bula.
If you're somebody that likes to have everything run to a schedule and everything go to plan, then this is a concept that you may struggle with. So when you're in Fiji, Fiji time is a real thing.
Y soy mexicano y entiendo perfectamente acerca de los retrasos, es una cosa cultural, pero bueno, incluso para mí ha sido algo con lo que he tenido que adaptarme, pero Fiji time es eso, no hurry, no worry. Trate de relajarse y trate de entender, pero siempre tenga en mente Fiji time. Puede ser un poquito más tarde de lo que todo el mundo dice.
Coming to Fiji, we didn't really do much research about the cost of things. We sort of assumed it's going to be like other Asian countries which are quite cheap to travel to. So we were slightly shocked to realize that it actually is quite expensive when you are here in terms of things like the cost of food and transport. When you come here, a few tips are that it's a helpful thing to maybe go into town and buy some food from the local supermarkets.
En Fiji, como en cualquier otro lugar que visite, la recomendación siempre es vaya hacia lo local, consuma local, conozca a las personas de la comunidad. Nosotros contratamos una compañía operadora de tours que nos brindó una experiencia increíble, además de que pudimos ahorrar un poco de dinero. Además, no tenga miedo a experimentar nuevas costumbres. Hay que recordar que en Fiji un alto porcentaje de la población es de origen hindú y la comunidad hindú acostumbra a comer con las manos. Si ellos lo invitan a comer, lo más probable es que usted no vaya a utilizar ningún cubierto, o cuchillo o tenedor y va a ser una gran experiencia que pueda comer con las manos y aprender de una nueva cultura.
People in Fiji are really beautiful. They love children, and when you're here you will really feel like you're having a holiday because they really will make an effort to play with your kids. And what we discovered was everybody loves babies. The mums, the dads, they all want to pick up your baby and have a cuddle, and it's just such a nice experience because people are genuinely friendly and fun, kind, caring people, and it creates a wonderful atmosphere when you're here on holidays.
Fiji es conocido internacionalmente por la calidad de sus olas. Si a usted le gusta surfear, Fiji es el lugar indicado. Mi recomendación, Rendezvous Surf Camp. Son unos expertos, es un hostal bastante amigable, con buena vibra, donde vas a encontrar surfistas de todo el mundo. El costo para ir a buscar las olas es de $90 fijianos por cada día que usted va en el bote, y lo pueden llevar a los puntos más famosos como Cloud Breaks, restaurants, Tabaruba Left, Tabaruba Right o swimming pools. Tome sus precauciones, ya que la ola es hermosa, pero es una ola de arrecife, así que si se cae puede tener algún accidente o romper su tabla.
When you come to Fiji, you may start to wonder whether you should be tipping the people or not when they serve you. So a lot of tourists come to Fiji from places like Australia and New Zealand, and in those cultures we don't actually tip because our minimum wage generally covers the basic costs of living for people. So it's not a customary thing in our cultures to actually tip. However, here the minimum wage is around $2.30 an hour. So even though it's not necessary to tip, it is a nice thing to do, and the people really appreciate it. So just take this into consideration in your budget, and it's a good thing to do.
Los habitantes de esta isla son sumamente amables y sonrientes, y una buena manera de interactuar con ellos es aprender un poco del vocabulario local. Bula y binaka son de las palabras que usted más va a escuchar. Bula definitivamente es hola, binaka es una forma de agradecimiento, y es bueno que usted se exprese en el lenguaje de los habitantes de Fiji.
When you're on holidays in Fiji, you're probably going to get really relaxed and into holiday mode, which is fantastic, but just remember to still keep an eye on your personal property, because you know it is a holiday destination with lots of people from all around the world coming to visit, and there is a potential for stuff to go missing. Unfortunately, we had an incident where one of our cameras got stolen on a day trip to the islands. So these things do happen when you're traveling, so just keep that in mind.
Y como última recomendación y la más importante de todas, simplemente disfruten. Este país es una postal hecha realidad.
You're really going to enjoy your holiday here in Fiji. The people are incredible, the food is delicious, the beaches are amazing. It's just a perfect holiday destination.
Sigan viajando y nos vemos en el próximo destino.